Hello everyone, it's Ashish here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well guys, today in this video I'm gonna give you Moody Dark version 2.0 preset in the form of mobile Lightroom DNG camera preset for your Photoshop, as well as the Lightroom desktop Lightroom preset in .lr template. So the very first thing you need to do is just copy that preset to your DNG preset to your SD card or smartphone. Now just click on the add button and click on the three dots on the right screen. Unselect the JPG and PNG, only select the raw files. Raw files are the preset files which are present in your SD card or your smartphone. So this is the Moody Dark version 2.0 preset. Now just click on the add button, so it will be added to my old photos gallery of the Lightroom. I have already imported some of the photos, so here is the preset which is added. So the very first thing you need to do is just click on the three dots on the top right screen of the corner, select the copy settings and just hit OK. Now go back and let's try it on some other photos and let's see how it actually looks. Let's apply it on this photo. Click on the three dots and select the paste settings, and you can see the difference. It's totally a magic photo. It is really looking a perfect Moody Dark effect, which is a perfect for your Instagram feed. Let's try it on this photo. Just click on the three dots and select the paste settings, and let's see. Wow guys, this one is really a top preset. An amazing moody effect. If you want to give to your photo, then this preset would be a perfect option for your photo editing game. So this is how you can color grade your photo or videos and just turn it to a kind of amazing effect. Let's try it on this. Click on the three dots and select the paste setting. You can adjust the saturation of the yellow tone on the preset if you want. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video and preset. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button so that it will motivate me to make more videos and preset like this for you guys for free. And if you still not subscribed yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can download lots and mobile Lightroom preset, desktop Lightroom and camera preset and many more cool photo editing as well as video editing stuff just for free. Also guys, don't forget to visit our second website, that is filterpreset.com. On that website also you're gonna find new backgrounds, camera preset and kind of premium collection of presets just for free. So do follow and guys visit that website. And also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.